Symptoms of bad MAF sensor. 1. Acceleration trouble. If the MAF sensor is reporting incorrect numbers, or if it has died altogether, the ECM may make adjustments to the air and fuel mixture in the combustion chamber that causes your vehicle to lag when you try to accelerate. 2. Bad gas mileage. When the MAF sensor overestimates the airflow, the ECM releases too much fuel. Your engine will work too hard because the mixture is off, and you will find yourself visiting the service station more often than normal. 3. Dark exhaust smoke. If the MAF sensor directs the engine control module to release excess fuel into the combustion chamber, your engine will have no choice but to burn off that excess gasoline or diesel fuel. You'll notice black exhaust flowing out of your tailpipes. 4. Your car hesitates or suddenly jerks forward. A bad MAF sensor can cause your vehicle to experience poor drivability issues, such as engine stalling, jerking, or hesitation during acceleration. Too much or not enough fuel can also make your engine hesitate or surge while you are driving along. You may experience the vehicle jump forward and sometimes restrict acceleration on its own. 5th. Rough engine idling. A dirty MAF sensor causes an uneven amount of air and fuel inside the combustion chamber, and this makes your engine struggle to prevent stalling. Smooth idle is only possible with the right quantity of air and fuel in the combustion chamber. 6. Hard starting. A difficulty in starting can be a symptom of a bad MAF sensor. Starting an engine requires a greater quantity of fuel than idling. However, a malfunctioning mass airflow sensor would mean the ECM may not provide enough fuel injection for engine starting. It is also often observed that the car might start but sputters and stalls. 7. Check engine light on. A bad MAF sensor can lead to illuminated check engine light. You can find out the codes from OBD scanner, and if it is P0101 mass airflow sensor circuit range performance, there may be a dirty MAF sensor. Most MAF sensor-related problems can be repaired by properly cleaning the sensor, and don't forget to replace the engine air filter regularly